Hey y'all, welcome back to DJ Outdoors. I'm currently driving back home. I forgot my chainsaw. I was in the woods filming a deer hunting video that's going to be coming out to y'all shortly. Sorry I haven't had a video in a while. I was getting married, and so that takes time away from everything, and I didn't have a video ready, and this deer hunting video is taking a little bit longer than I thought would. But I was out there and a bunch of squirrels were out there, so while I'm cutting some firewood up, I'm gonna do a little bit of squirrel hunting. So hope y'all like that, and stay tuned. Alright guys, well, before I start cutting firewood, it's going to be towards the end because I can wrap that up pretty quick. I'm going to go in here where all the squirrels are and go get me some. I got a new headset, so hopefully I can get y'all a nice POV. Alright guys, well, I'm going to start going. Hopefully y'all can see good. Alright, we're loaded up, ready to go. It's like a bedding area for deer right there. Now that I'm actually squirrel hunting though, I guarantee you I won't see no squirrels. But now that I got a gun out here, I guarantee you I'll see some deer. That's how it works. Not a squirrel in sight. All the radishes and stuff have dried up and died. None of them grew. So that's kind of a bummer. You can see all the acorns on the ground. That's good for deer. And since right here is open, it's easier for them to pick them off. And I don't use that stand for bow hunting. I got one deeper than there. If you're wondering about the salt block. The salt block will be moved. Actually this weekend it needs to be moved because it needs to have, I think, over a week. I think it's like 10 days. And season starts in about 10 days, so I need to move that. I go where I first seen that first one, which was down over here. See if he's still there. Here's some leaves crunching and some nuts. There's one. There's one right there. Okay, go slow. He's moving across this way. I don't think he knows I'm here. Yeah, he keeps moving. Keeps moving there. He's like right there right now. is, right there. Got him. He's gonna drop. All right. Whenever you do that, don't move. Because more than likely you're gonna scare another squirrel. So just look around. I think that was a perfect headshot too. He presented perfectly. He was just sitting there, so let's go see. There he is, right there. Oh yeah. Perfect. Perfect headshot. Right through the eyeball. That's where I got him. Can't get no better than that. Yeah, there is one. He's at the base of this tree right there. There he is, right there. Missed him. Missed him again. He's gonna run up this tree. Yep, there he is right there. Stop moving, dude. Damn. I got another squirrel mad. There's that guy right there. Got him. That was definitely a headshot. Damn. I got a jam. So I'll have to work that out. Go get my other squirrel. But I'm gonna clear out this jam first. If I can. My keys. There it is. Okay. Just hit him mid-body, but he's definitely gonna die. Hopefully he didn't crawl up in a hole. Oh, here he is. All right, YouTube, look away. That's a nice little red squirrel. Little baby one. So that'll be nice and tender. Little baby red. Perfect. It's on safety, and then you want it pointed in a good direction, because you do have to put your finger right at the end of the barrel, but just don't go in front of it. Try to not, because you don't want to have an accident where you accidentally blow your fingers off, because it won't be too good. But in this process, we're letting the woods kind of calm down, and squirrels will come back out, because the 22 ain't really that scary to them. Alright, well, I'm gonna stop this video and bring it back deeper in the woods. There. Little doe skull. Just leave that there. Tells you they're in here. Might have been one that was shot and injured or something. There it is. Right there. There's one right there. Got him. Got one. I just seen him crawl to it. There's another one barking over there. There he is, right there. He's gonna play Ring Around the Rosie with me. Not let me see him. Come on now. Don't go into a hole. You're just gonna go in there to die, bud. Oh, come on. I think that's what he did. I think there's a hole right there. I don't see him anymore. Like I said, I think he's playing Ring Around the Rosie with me right now. Yeah, there he is. I know you're about to die, bro. There it goes. He'll come down anytime now. Damn. There's one right there. I got him. I dropped him. Oh, that was a bad shot, but I got him at least. Lungs. Another male. Trying to get these females out of here, not the males really, because trying to get the population of squirrels down that way. More nuts and stuff are on the ground for the deer. I know I'm never gonna really make a dent, but I can try. No rabbits in that yet. Hey y'all. Sorry about the noise in the background. Those are the engines running. I'm on the towboat right now. I'm at work, currently editing this video for the squirrel hunting video, and I realized I didn't have an outro, so this is my outro. So thank y'all for watching. If you want to know how to clean your squirrel, I'm putting it in the link in the description. I have a video, my very first video actually, of how to clean your squirrel. And now in that video, I only saved the legs because I had tore up the meat pretty good, but I ended up saving all of these, and I gave them to my stepdad so that way he could have some food, like some squirrel and stuff, because they don't have that stuff very often. And so I just gave it to him, let him eat it. But I'm going to be going squirrel hunting again, and I'll make a video of cleaning it, keeping the whole squirrel, and showing you how I like to cook my whole squirrel. But other than that, this is just a quick video to get something out to you while we're waiting on my deer hunting video. And again, I'll put in the link in the description the squirrel how to clean, and also I have a cooking video, but you all can just go and look that one up if you want to. I don't think I'm going to put that into the description because whole squirrel I'll cook way different than just frying. So, but other than that, thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoy, and please like, comment, subscribe, and tell me if you want more.